Hello, lovies. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Gina, aka Gina Louise. I am hiding behind a computer because I am in my pajamas. It's really late at night and I'm doing the voiceover. So, we're going to take a top that does not fit me. It's too tight on the sleeves. I don't like the way it feels, and it could use a little more. I don't know, it could be a little more flowy. It's a little too tight to the body. So, this is what I'm starting with. I have this black floral pretty chiffon top, and I have this black ruffled sundress that is huge. It doesn't fit me. I'm going to use this dress for several projects. First thing I'm doing is cutting off the sleeves, a little wider than the sleeve actually is because the sleeves are tight, and I would like to make them bigger. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and I'm going to hope that it's even. I'm going to flatten this out as best as I can. You ladies that sew and use chiffon, you know how difficult it could be. So I'm actually putting the other sleeve up against here so I could see exactly how much I took off. That's my cute little Ava in the background. Now I'm measuring from the armpit down to the bottom because I'm going to take some fabric from that dress and I'm going to add some panels in both sides to make this more of a swing top. Here's a trick I like to do when I am altering a top or a dress that has a lining in it and a loose lining. So what I do is I take my sewing machine and I sew a straight line down on both sides of the seam I'm about to open. This way, when I open it up, I don't have a flyaway liner that I have to try to get inside when I resew it and not have it bulky or sewn wrong. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sewing down both sides of the seam that I'm going to open so the liner is still in place. It'll be attached to the front, it'll be attached to the back, and I won't have to worry about that. Now I'm opening up the seam. I'm too lazy to go dig out my seam ripper, so here I am using a straight edge blade, and it's so dull that it's not even working. So eventually I go and I get my seam ripper. Okay, so I got both sides opened and putting that stitch along the edge kept the liner in place because you don't want to play around with that later. It's just easy that way. Now I'm going to take the dress that I'm cutting and I'm going to cut, this was 14 inches, I'm going to have about 2 inches coming down to 6. So that's what I'm going to cut. All right, let's get the dress and let's start cutting it. This is Ava. Say hi, hi Ava. You got magic marker on your face, Ava. Okay, I got my dress and I am going to take advantage of the bottom hem that's already on here, the rolled serged edge. So I want it to be 6 inches. I am marking one. Maybe I'll give it a little extra flounce. I'll do 7. Okay. Center of that is 3.5. So we're going to go up 15 inches, which is right here. And we want that to be a good, we'll go 3 inches. So, this is 3 inches. And we're going to connect that to here. We're going to connect this one to here. Bless you. We're going to make that straight. And then after I cut this out, I will use it for a pattern, and I will cut a second one for the other side of the top. So I have a cute little ruffle on here. Nice little design on this fabric. I added the extra inch for seam allowance, and just in case there's a little bit of a problem. Okay, I'm going to cut 2 of these. Is that attached? Okay. Alright, I'm going to use this as a pattern, and I'm going to cut 1 more. Okay, I have my 2 pieces. Got my top. There's the front. So I'm going to sew right sides together. I'm going to match up the bottom. This extra, we'll cut that later. But you're better off having more fabric, a longer piece than a short piece. A long piece you could cut. Short piece, you're in trouble. You have to start adding to it. I have my glasses on top of my head. You think I would just put them on. Alright, and I am going to start sewing from the bottom up, in case there's any wiggling, moving. We don't want to come short. We want the hems to be lined up, because that just saves you a whole extra step. You don't have to worry about a hem. Okay, I'm going to take that over to the machine and sew that. This is what it looks like so far. See, it's attached to the front. It's longer here under the armpit, which is great. We need that. We don't want it to be too short. Here's the other side. So now I just have to take it, flip it around, and attach the back to it, and it's got to be right side. So we're gonna flip it inside out. And we're going to, where are we? I'm doing this with one hand, holding the camera. Okay, we're going to do right sides together. So we'll pull it this way. Let me get a grip on this camera. Okay, here is the front, the right side. Here is the back, the right side of the back. We're going to line this up. Gonna line it up. We're gonna pin it, then take it over to the sewing machine. Make sure you don't catch the lining. I mean, it's pretty easy to do that if you don't like smooth it out. Okay, just gonna pin that. I mean, it's hard to work with this light fabric, but we're doing our best. We're gonna make it work. Okay, so okay, lining that up right there, and we're just gonna start pinning this. Gonna pin that, bring it over to the machine, sew up the front to the back. Okay, this is what we got so far. The sides, we have our sides, which opened it up, gave it more flounce. We got that ruffle. Now we have to take it over, and we have this extra here. So we're just going to take this and we're going to cut along here, and then we're going to put on a big open angel sleeve. Okay, so I have this all lined up here, and now we're just going to even this out. We're going to cut along the edge here so that we line it up. Oops. Can even that out a little bit more. Okay. I'm just going to do the same thing on this side. Cut the bottom ruffle off the dress, and I am folding it in half because I am taking half is going to be one sleeve, the other half would be the other sleeve. Hello lovies, if you're enjoying this video, can you give me a thumbs up? Can you like this video? Can you share this video with your friends who would also like to do upcycles one of a kinds? Thank you, I appreciate it. Now back to my video. Now I have the sleeves pinned on both sides, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to take it over to my sewing machine, and I'm going to sew the sleeves on, and then I'm going to model it and show you what we have. There it is, so pretty. And look, the sleeves are already hemmed. What do you think, lovies? Do you just love it? I love it. Can you see it? Can you see how I changed the sides and the arms and how it's flowy? I just love it. Thanks for watching.